Hello everybody, the project for today is replace the lamp of the odometer where the mileage is shown. Today I have a Ford F150 2005. So as you can see, I started the process already. And the first thing you do is you pull this tab right here, you pull it down, it's held by clippers, and it's holding that square part of this one. When this one is on, I'm sorry, I already took it off, so you have to work it a little bit to take it off. And as you can see right here, so you will find two bolts, number 7 millimetrics. In the metrics is 7, it's not a 10. Normally most of the bolts of a car is 10, but this one is 7. So you'll take those two and then you pry this up, and as you can see I have my ratchet and my socket here, the ones I did just for this. So you pull it up and then you work it around with the steering wheel. So if you can get the steering wheel column down, it's gonna be a good idea. I couldn't do it in this one, so I have to work it a little bit more so it's held by clips on the back. So those are the only two bolts. In the odometer you will find four more bolts, and then this connector. To disconnect this connector, you have to push that tab, the little tabs that I'm touching right now, and bring this thing to the back. So this is how it lifts. As you bring it to the back, it comes out to the cluster. So you'll see four more bolts, as you can see right here, as you just saw, and two more in the bottom. So it's four in total holding the cluster. And I'm gonna show you right now the one on the other side. So once you take this off, those are number 7 too. You take those off and then you will be able to pull the cluster down. I mean, you already removed the connectors and everything. So what we're gonna do is here, go to the back here, and it's covered with a white plastic. You cannot pull it all the way because it has like a cord holding it in the bottom. Um, but you will have enough access to replace the bulb. As you can see right here, you have to cut. We have to cut right here in the right corner when I'm facing it, when I'm looking at it right here. So as you can see right now, I use a scissor and a cut. Sorry about it's not the best cut, but this is the one we're gonna try to get out. So how this thing gonna get out? So just imagine you're looking at it from the front and you turn it to the left and you pull it. So we were able to pull it right now, and then what I do is pull this when it's completely burned, and you can clearly see when the wire is cut inside. So I'm gonna take it off, and I ordered this in Amazon, bulb replacement. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. So I'm gonna show you what I ordered. So these are LED, so they're supposed to last longer. Um, and you can find them in Amazon. So it's perfect for the Ford F150 for the project. One of the things that I'm gonna try to replace it right now. So these are the ones. So I ordered enough. So hey, let me know, guys, if you need one of these. I send it to you by mail. So I already replaced it right here. And this thing, when you put it in the back, you have to be careful. You see that those two metal parts, you put it in place and don't push it. Just keep turning, like if you're putting the cap of a water bottle, just keep turning until it get in place. Never push it, because you will see right now the first try I did, it didn't work. Because why? Because I was putting the metal place. It has a way to put it, but I was pushing it, so I passed where they supposed to catch. So just put it, don't force it, and just keep turning and turn it until it get in place. So I'm gonna give it a second try right now because the first time didn't work. So as you can see right here, I'm struggling to do this right now, and nothing. It didn't work. So, but just because of that, don't give up. Just keep trying it until you get it in place properly. So as you can see right here, so my first attempt to fix this, it didn't work. So what I did is I take it apart again. So turn off the car, take it out, and just in case, what I did is replace it for a different bulb. As you can see right here, I'm turning off the vehicle, and nothing works from the first time. So I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna try it again, replace replace it for another one, and work it. There we go. We have it. It's working now, and it's displaying the mileage and everything. So that didn't work. So we got it this time. As I told you before, don't force it. That was my first mistake. Don't make the same mistake I did. So this is not difficult, guys. So this is a very doable job. So you just take patience, just keep going, keep trying, don't give up. So as you can see, we fix it. So what I'm gonna do right now is put it back together. Now that we make sure that everything is working, so I'm just gonna put the bolts back. As you can see right here, I'm using my ratchet and putting the 4 bolts around the cluster, and then we're gonna put the top part and put it back together, and everything is gonna work perfect. So we solved one problem that it was. So as you can see, I already connected. So the connectors, what I did is push them inside, both of them, and then the lag thing comes by itself. So when you plug them back at the same time, both at the same time if you can. You will hear that the cluster make noise, but that's normal. So thank you for watching.